Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do unboxing video on gardening essentials supplied by the Affordable Organic Store. Let's begin. I was approached by the Affordable Organic Store, a store which deals with supplies the material of gardening. They approached me and told me to do unboxing video on the products they are delivering. So I have received this box. Let's open up. The name of the store is the Affordable Organic Store. It is Let us see all the items one by one. This is the first thing, that is jute grow bags. These jute grow bags are available at a cost of 50 rupees, around 49 rupees each. The important feature of this jute grow bag is that they are made from jute and we can easily judge that how much amount of water is present. So watering need can be easily judged. The another thing is that it continuously supplies the oxygen or air into your plant root system. The another thing is this plastic grow bag. The cost is 19 rupees. The third important thing they have supplied is this potting mix. It contains all necessary nutrients required for plant growth as well as the pest repellents. So the cost is 150 rupees for 2 kilogram and it is enough for one medium sized pot. They have supplied this seedling trays. Here you can see they have provided the holes inside this. So we have to simply put the coco peat. We have to weight the coco peat and put the seeds into it. It will easily grow the seeds. The cost is around 13 rupees. Another thing they have supplied is this neem oil. 30 ml neem oil at a cost of 19 rupees. It is required for preventing the pest attack on your plant. The next packet contains the seaweed granules. Here you can see these granules are developed from the weeds which are getting developed in deep within the sea. These granules are necessary for making the plant more greener and the cost is 19 rupees for one spoonful. And the last thing I have obtained from them is this petunia seeds, morning glory seeds, spinach, cherry tomato, capsicum green and this coriander. I have opened this. So all these seeds are available at a cost of around 15 rupees to 30 rupees. Affordable Organic Store is supplying everything within India with free delivery. I will put the link in the description box regarding the Affordable Organic Store website. You can use that link and the coupon code as well to get the discount. This video is not sponsored by anyone, but I must say Affordable Organic Store justifies its name. Please do let me know in the comment box whether I make such type of unboxing video in future or not. Share your experience with affordable organic store in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.